What if you missed Bitcoin, the single greatest wealth-generating event of our lifetime? Do you ever wonder if you missed your shot? Well, the real question isn't about what's past. It's about what's next. The hunt is on for the one crypto that will follow in Bitcoin's footsteps, and today, we're putting two of the biggest contenders in the ring. The reigning champ, Ethereum, against the super-fast challenger, Solana. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear, data-driven picture of which one has the tech and the traction to be the new king of crypto. Welcome to Generational Wealth, your pathway from knowledge to legacy. Look, finding the next Bitcoin isn't just about chasing massive gains. It's about spotting the technology that's going to build the future of finance. Bitcoin proved digital scarcity works. The next big thing is all about utility. What can you actually do with these networks? This question is more urgent than ever now that institutional money is flooding in. With spot ETFs for both Bitcoin and Ethereum now a reality, Wall Street is here, and they're looking for the next big platform to place their bets. This is where the real fight starts. Is it the established, decentralized giant, or the lightning-fast disruptor? First up, Ethereum. It's the original smart contract platform, and the foundation for countless decentralized apps. Its ecosystem is absolutely massive. Ethereum's main advantage is that it was first, and has a developer community that no one else can touch. It's home to most of the DeFi and NFT projects out there, giving it a powerful network effect that's tough to break. The approval of spot Ethereum ETFs has been a huge stamp of approval from the big money players, despite some market shakiness causing outflows. The overall story of institutional adoption is strong, with some analysts predicting prices could eventually pass $7,500. Plus, ongoing upgrades are designed to tackle its biggest problems, making the network faster and cheaper. Ethereum's weaknesses are well known: sky-high gas fees and a congested network. When things get busy, a single transaction can get ridiculously expensive, which prices a lot of people out. Layer 2 solutions are helping, but this core problem has left the door wide open for faster, cheaper alternatives. Recent market downturns have also been a reality check, with major ETF outflows during panic selling, reminding everyone that even the king isn't immune to bad market vibes. And that brings us to its biggest rival, Solana. If Ethereum is a dependable but traffic-jammed highway, Solana is the bullet train. Solana was built for one thing: raw speed. It can theoretically handle over 65,000 transactions per second for just a fraction of a penny. This crazy performance has made it a go-to for things that need high throughput, like trading and gaming. Big financial firms are seriously looking at Solana for tokenizing real-world assets, and there's growing buzz about a potential Solana ETF. In fact, data shows Solana is generating real economic value, a strong sign that it's becoming more than just hype. The network has also become incredibly reliable, with its stability since early 2023 silencing many of the old criticisms about outages. Solana's biggest hurdle has been its history of network outages. While its performance has been fantastic lately, the memory of those past shutdowns still makes some investors nervous. The other issue is decentralization. Compared to Ethereum's huge network of validators, Solana's is much smaller, which sparks debates about how secure and censorship-resistant it really is. It's a classic trade-off. You get incredible speed, but it comes at the cost of being more centralized. So, when you put them side by side, how do they really compare? On speed and cost, Solana is the hands-down winner. Its transactions are massively faster and cheaper. For decentralization and security, Ethereum wears the crown. Its massive battle-hardened network is still seen as the gold standard. When it comes to the developer ecosystem and total value locked, TVL, Ethereum is still the leader, but Solana is growing much faster and is eating up a huge amount of trading volume. And what about the other players? Chains like Cardano, ADA, and XRP are definitely in the conversation. Analysts point to their strong communities and potential for a comeback, with Cardano known for its academic, peer-reviewed approach, and XRP aiming to shake up international payments. But for now, the main event for smart contract supremacy is still Ethereum versus Solana. The crypto world moves incredibly fast, and this race is nowhere near finished. If you want to stay on top of the market with analysis that's driven by data, not hype, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. For trending topics and actionable crypto insights, join our Insiders Club on our website at generationalwealth.biz. Now it's your turn. Which of these two giants are you betting on? Is it the established king, Ethereum, or the high-speed challenger, Solana? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. So, will an altcoin ever be the next Bitcoin? If we're talking about replacing Bitcoin as digital gold, probably not. But in the race to become the foundation for a new digital economy, the fight is on. Ethereum is the secure, decentralized, and institutionally loved incumbent. It has the brand and the ecosystem, but it has to keep pushing to solve its scaling problems. Solana is the aggressive newcomer, betting that pure speed and low costs are what will finally bring crypto to the masses. Its recent performance and growing interest from institutions make it a serious threat. The most likely outcome? Not a knockout, but coexistence. They'll probably serve different corners of the market. Ethereum could become the high-value settlement layer for big finance, while Solana dominates consumer apps, gaming, and high-frequency trading. The question isn't which one wins, but which one has more room to grow from here. And based on the momentum right now, you just can't ignore Solana's potential for explosive growth. Quick disclaimer: I'm not a licensed financial advisor. This is for educational purposes only. Crypto is volatile. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Do your own research. Thank you for watching. We appreciate your support. See you on the next one.